Determine whether the relation is a function. Give the domain and range. This relation contains the ordered pairs 0, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 2. The domain is each first coordinate in each ordered pair. So the domain of this relation is equal to the set containing 0, the first coordinate of the first ordered pair, 1, the first coordinate of the second ordered pair, and 2, the first coordinate of the third ordered pair. The range is the set containing all of the second coordinates, and so the range of this relation is the set containing 2. Notice that each ordered pair has a second coordinate of 2, and so our range only contains one element, namely 2. We're also asked to determine if this relation is a function. For a relation to be a function, each element of the domain must correspond to one and only one element of the range. Let's look at each element of the domain. In our relation, 0 corresponds to 2. It does not correspond to any other elements of our range. It can't because we only have one element of our range. 1 also only corresponds to one element of our range, 2. And 2 only corresponds to 2. So each element of the domain only corresponds to a single element of the range, and therefore this relation is a function.